M0FXB TYT TH-9800 with the Yaesu FT1D. Now this radio has Auto Range Transponder System, ARTS, which is a system that older Yaesu radios used to use. So what it does, it uses the DCS code to transmit to another radio that is also running a DCS code or ARTS. Now this one isn't running ARTS, but it does have DCS code, so I can use it to test. But an older Yaesu radio would do this. But anyway, so we haven't turned it on, so we're on 144-900 dummy load in the back, and then we've got our Yaesu radio right next to it. All you do is, we're in simplex mode as well. Let's get it into low power. We don't need any power when we're just testing this, so we'll get it to low. Incidentally, to know what the power is on the 9800, when you see nothing, it's in high power. That's 40 or 50 watts. So low 5 watts, okay? So we're going to turn on ARTS. I'll describe what it's called in the manual. It says the ARTS feature uses DCS code to inform both parties when you and another ARTS equipped station are within communication range. This may be particularly useful during search and rescue. But the main thing it's doing is that it's going to say the word in range or out of range to let people know what's going on. So let's press the dot. ARTS is menu number 3. Select it by turning the left knob. So menu number 3, press it once and it straight away goes into in range. And then it's going to count to about 60 and waiting to receive a message. And when it doesn't receive a message, it's going to go, you're out of range, because the idea is that both items are transmitting about every 25 seconds an ARTS signal. So let's just wait for this to do its thing. So it's done nothing, so I'm going to key the mic. Then we'll click out of range. Key the mic again. It now says in range, because it got a signal from a radio that is in range. After a certain amount of seconds, it should automatically transmit again, or it will change to out of range. Fingers crossed. There you go, and I've set the FT1D to buzz when it receives DCS. So after a while, it will then switch back to out of range, because if I don't key the mic within about a minute, it will automatically switch. So it now knows that we're in range. And if this radio, like I said, had the same system running, on the screen now you'll be seeing in range, out of range. There you are. And it's just done it again there. Look. So it knows that we're in range. There you go, I pause it just so you don't have to wait for the minute. But look, it's now saying out of range. If I key up, in range. I did notice that I had to press the button so that it was out of range for it to start working. See, in range, press out. Once it was in out of range, then I keyed. It went in range, then it all started working. So give it a go. You've got these old Yaesu radios, and you could go out, in the woods, walk the dog, take a friend, and he could walk off with his, with his radio, and then you could, with his older Yaesu radio, and you could say, okay, I'll try and find you, So anyway, bye for now, 7-3, all the best.